Hi, Dr. Griffiths. I hope you're doing well. Let me formally introduce myself. My name is Monique Njoke. I'm a digital marketing consultant and the owner of Medical Marketing Shop. So, I hope you got my package, by the way. And this is what I like to do afterwards. I like to follow up and give you a proper audit of what's going on online. So, what I have here is a homepage for your website, but I won't focus more on that. I'll focus more on the display advertising that your competitors are using. So there's this software that we use. I've just, keyed it in here, dentalsmiles.co.ke. As you know, they have been running advertisements for quite a while. Dentists in Nairobi. Let's just show you this for a second. You can see they've been running these ads for quite a while, and now we see that the periodontist .co.ke is also starting to run ads. So this is a space that, when one person does it, a lot of people do it, because clearly there's huge potential to generate massive amount of leads to your business and to convert those leads into actual revenues. So let's go behind the scenes, right? I want to show you an example of how a good ad is set up and how a bad ad is set up. In terms of good and bad, a bad ad doesn't mean that it's horrible. It just means that it's not converting very well. A good ad means that it's converting. It's optimized well, it's written well, and it's converting into leads for the business. So let's start with this guys. This guys is a banner. I know it's not dentistry, it's cosmetic dermatology, but in the Kenyan space, according to what the research that we've done here at Medical Marketing Shop, we're actually seeing that these are one of the only guys doing quite a good job at it. So I'll get the URL over here and come put it into my software here. Just a second. It's loading. It's loading. Yes, so we can see here they've been running 4 ads across the internet. I want to show you what they're doing and then compare it to the dental clinic, and then you can see the correlation. So let's go to, for example, laser hair removal. Now these are the ads. This is the back end we're able to see. This is the laser hair removal. So I'll click on this ad here and see where it will take me, because this is what people are clicking. Now if we look at where it's taken us to their website on a specific landing page that only talks about laser treatments. They have their phone number here, and they also have very detailed information only about laser hair removal. So if we can see here, this is what we call copywriting. Permanent hair reduction may be achieved by a variety of laser treatments and light-based system. Unwanted hair can be removed anywhere in the body, yada yada yada, all the way down. They have a lead gen system in here, and they also have the location and a very clear call to action here, and of course they have these details down here. Now why I'm showing you this is to show you how powerful it is when you optimize the internet to how it's supposed to be done. Now let's go back and we'll show you. Let's go back. We can see we clicked on laser hair removal. We were taken to laser hair removal. Let's click on medical weight loss. We're taken to medical weight loss. So when a lead searches for something online and they click on something, they expect to be given information about that specific thing. If you give people too much choice, they'll never choose. As we can see here, it's the same thing. It's very specific. It's very targeted. And this is an example of an ad that is performing exceptionally well. Now let's go back to the dentist, and this is where I want to show you what I mean. Copy. Let's go put it in my software again. Let it load for a second. Okay. So, okay, we can scroll down here, and these are the ads that they're running. So they're talking about tooth whitening in Nairobi and dental clinic in Nairobi. let's click on tooth whitening, right? Let's just click on it and see where it'll take us. It takes us directly to their homepage. Now, based on what I've shown you before, you need to understand that when you take a lead online, how you move the process from just traffic, which is numbers, to leads, to highly qualified leads, to conversions, which are people actually coming into your business and paying you money for your services, is conversion rate optimization. So what we find here is I clicked wanting to know about tooth whitening, and I was taken to a homepage, so I'm lost. If I was someone who's interested, I would just get lost. Now, this one they're doing quite well because they're just advertising themselves. So dental clinic in Nairobi, if you click on it, let's see where it'll take us. It takes us to their homepage. This is okay. Now, this is an example of an ad that is losing money. And I've also shown you an example of an ad that is optimized highly, highly well. Now, based on this information, just that basic information, you can actually take that and leverage it to generate a lot of traffic to your website, and then work to convert those leads into paying customers. So I will link my email address below and my phone number. Feel free to contact me to learn more about anything involving, digital marketing and your online presence. Again, you don't have to choose me or my services. I love helping people actually understand how to leverage the internet to make money. We were once there when we started. We just put up a website and we assumed that people would find us, and it didn't work out. So we had to learn it the hard way. So yes, that's all I have. Again, I'll link down my email below and my phone number. Feel free to contact me or have Lillian contact me, and I will be glad to sit down and talk to you about how we could actually help you leverage the internet to its full potential. So yes, I wish you an amazing day, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.